Natasha Antonioni with Austin Life, where we cover real estate, design, and all things Austin. Today, I am taking you on an amazing house tour of 1103 Sparrow Lane in Lakeway, Texas. Come on in. There are so many custom magical details to this home, including the Portuguese tile that you see over here. This home executes minimalism at its finest. Don't we just love an open floor plan? And especially when you have custom cabinets and, of course, the endless views. I just love a hidden fridge, and this house has two freezers. So you have your fridge here and your freezer right below, and on each side you have them flanking. The Frigidaire stovetop is incredible. You cannot burn your fingers on this, and it boils water in 30 seconds. Now, this homeowner is a very big cook, and he loves this stovetop. We have a titanium faucet with a beautiful handle and an in-house filtration system with your wine fridge right below. With 3,332 square feet, there is ample space with the 4 bedrooms. So the previous owners had their 2 twin little ones in here, but it's currently being used as a second office. And just look at these custom doors that open to the spectacular view. Talk about indoor-outdoor living. This amazing deck with newer details, including the Ipe deck, the rain curtain shower, and the waterfall edge are spectacular. There's also sliders off of the primary bedroom that lead you to an amazing sitting area with a downstairs primary to die for. Let's go check it out. The spacious primary boasts a king-size bed, sitting area, and a special little nook right behind the wall. So the current owner added these sliders to get more from that view and used this space as a meditation area, but it could be for whatever you want it to be. This house likes things hidden. Check out this his and hers walk-in closet. And we have this amazing primary bathroom with a few special features, including faucets to match the kitchen. And check this out. We have this oversized marble shower and a private WC. Toto toilets throughout, as well as bidets. And we have a laundry room right off the primary bathroom. Don't we just love all this walnut detail everywhere? Let's go check out the 2 extra bedrooms upstairs. We have this spacious extra bedroom with an ensuite and oversized closet. The attention to detail does not stop in the main spaces. Notice the hardwood white oak floors with the white oak detail on top and the floating walls. And this can be a second primary, but it's currently being used as kind of a hangout space. This additional primary also has an incredible speaker system that stays with the house and that little hidden room with a wow view. I love the minimal library, and who wouldn't want to work here with this view? And I'm sure you've noticed that this house has a view from almost every corner. Every shade system is on a remote in this home. For such a minimal home, there is ample storage here, including a washer and dryer setup on the 2nd floor. Lakeway, Texas is located 25 miles west of downtown Austin. Lakeway is a resort community complete with golf courses, tennis courts, marinas, a private airport, a full-service hotel and spa, a 65-mile-long lake, hundreds of acres of parkland and trails, and nearly 500 acres of greenbelt. If you want to learn more about Lakeway, check out our Lake Travis and Austin Lake overview. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe below. We'll see you soon. Bye.